sa Ateneo. Ikaw?
Well, I was thinking Yale or Harvard, but you know, nakapasok din ako sa Cambridge, so I'm not really sure yet.
Mabuti naman.
Thank you.
Mabuti naman at magpapakalayo-layo ka na. Mas mabuti nga hindi ka na bumalik. Ever.
Oh, very much.
Oh, come on, Zane. We all know the facts. We have the same final average. Fact. You bribed that school with a new building just to get what you want. Fact. Ako dapat yung valedictorian. Fact.
And you know this for a fact?
Fact na fact.
Oh, loser sweepers.
Di ko iyakan yung medalya mo. Kung gusto mo, isaksak mo sa bibig mo. Tapos, lamunin mo, asawahin mo.
Your word